Here's a short video of the modified TFT AFM 1512. This is a European FM only radio, 3 meters, old school looking. I'd say it looks like a stereo, classic stereo of the 70s and 80s. This is a unit that I ripped the guts out, turned it into a Frankenstein radio, and I put in a Euro 3900 mobile radio. This is 6 bands, AM, FM, sideband, whole works. Here you can kind of see the crazy wiring job I had to do to extend all the potentiometers, controls, channel knobs and whatnot. And right there is kind of a voltage regulator that I use to turn the coarse and fine-tuned clarifier into a single knob. And I'll give an example of how well it works. This is a 5-volt regulator, so this will go up. Goes on the positive side quite a bit, not quite 10 kcs, and on the low side it drops 1.5. Very smooth. All the different bands, modes I should say. And here's the different bands. Goes up to 28 megahertz and down about 25 or so. Okay, I'll shoot another one of these quick. I'm gonna button up this guy and we'll see what it looks like. 73s.